Sustainability and sustainable development is all about how do we slowly move away from use of fossil fuels in our day-to-day lives. And that is where manufacturing industry and industry at large has to play a very large role. Currently, 18% of the global energy consumption is based on renewable resources, and biomass and biofuels have a big role in that. How does industry slowly take steps towards moving to a larger percentage of its energy consumption coming from renewable resources is the challenge that we have to address. It's not an easy challenge, but it is definitely something which has a solution. Use of biofuels is going to be cleaner. If you are able to use biomass for converting it to liquid fuels and gaseous fuels, you would be in a position to have role of biomass in different spheres of economic activity. For example, something like biodiesel. If you are able to use biodiesel in all agricultural spot energy generation activities like generators, trucks, tractors, etc., the role that it can play is very large. I'm very happy to say that liquid fuel driven revolution on the biomass side is taking a significant role. You are now having not only technologies which are moving towards making yields stronger, but you're also having different industrial combustion, IC engines getting tested, tractors getting tested, vehicles getting tested towards use in rural and industrial economies. Similarly, role of CBG, compressed biogas, could also be very significant. India has had probably a steeper, I would say, learning curve in terms of moving towards gaseous forms of energy in industrial as well as domestic and commercial consumption. But I think CBG and the technology development roadmap that CBG seems to have in front of it, I think will play a very strong role in creating what I would call as choices. You don't just have to incinerate biomass, you can convert it to biofuels like liquids and gases. Liquids and gases could be transported over a longer distance. Liquids and gases can be used not only in industry but in commercial consumption, domestic consumption, and could actually change the entire energy mix. So almost every residue which is organic residue, which has some kind of fuel value, can be the source of bioenergy. We as a country have close to 600 million tons of such agricultural residue which is created every year. It has various uses. One of it is fodder. After taking away the fodder consumption, we still have 235 million tons of agricultural residue biomass. So the start of the supply chain is, of course, the farm. So the fourth and important element of supply chain which comes there is storage. So you start from the farmer, you harness it, you aggregate it, you store it. These are the four important elements on the rural side. So processing is all about compacting it and densifying it. Once you process, that's the fifth element of the supply chain, you then move to consumption. That is the bioenergy plant. The bioenergy plant could be somebody who is incinerating this compacted biomass, or somebody is using the compacted biomass for converting into other forms of energy, such as biofuel, which is liquid, or biofuel, which is gaseous form. This is a cycle of economic activities starting from the field, ending in the field, consisting of the waste from the farm, the fuels, and the fertilizer.